Today we'll be learning how I make my own Zobo drink, also called hibiscus tea. So these are the list of my ingredients: ground nutmeg, spearmint, and whole cloves. I use those as my basic ingredients. So let's go to the fruits. I will be using a mixture of grape and orange, pineapple, and the Zobo leaf itself. So this is called hibiscus flower. This is a dried hibiscus flower, and that's what I'll be doing. So for about 2 bowls of plain drinking water, I put it in a big pot that I'll be using, and I usually use this volume of water because I do not want to dilute this drink after making it. So these are my cut up fruits, and I want to rinse my Zobo leaves right now. The hibiscus flower, I'm rinsing it because it gathers a lot of dust. You actually see that there are some sand underneath the water when you're rinsing. That's why I use a deep bowl, so that the sand can go down and settle, under the water. Use enough water to wash it. So next is the water is getting close to boiling, and I pour in my flour. That reduces the number of minutes I'll have to boil the whole thing. So make sure your water is hot before pouring the hibiscus flower, and then pour in your diced or cut up fruits. Some people might want to use some apples. It depends on your preference, but for me, I'm using grape and oranges together with pineapple. So I wanted a subtle, not too sweet and not sour. That's the idea. So now I'm putting in my spices. Spearmint, I used half a teaspoon, and then I'll be using nutmeg. Sorry, I didn't mention that earlier. Cinnamon as well. Those are half teaspoons of each. And then I'm going to add my cloves. So for the clove, you can use between half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of cloves. So I'm going to allow this to boil. You can see that it's really boiling, and if you leave at this time around 10 minutes thereabout, you're going to see that the flour, the color of the flour has changed. It has become lighter. And like I said earlier, I use this quantity of water because I do not want to dilute my drink any further. Some people like to cook it thick and then later they will dilute with water, but I just like it this way. So I'm gonna allow this to boil for a few more minutes, maybe 2 minutes more, just to brew. That's the word, brew. And it's all set. I'm gonna see how I'll sieve it out and then allow it to cool down before putting it in the fridge. I got 2 big bowls out of my mixture, and this is what it ended up giving me, 6 liters. The 2 big bowls are 6 liters, and then 2 extra small bowls. Hey guys, it's all set. You can either serve hot or cold depending on your preference. Thanks for watching.